Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. My name is Luis and in this video I'm going to guide you on how you can create a Ventoy flash drive. Okay, so Ventoy is an open source utility designed to simplify the process of creating bootable USB drives. So Ventoy allows you to create the bootable USB drives for various purposes such as installing operating system, running live environments, or performing system maintenance. It's easy to use, unlikely traditional methods that require formatting the USB drive repeatedly. With Ventoy, you only need to copy the ISO, WIM, IMG, VHT, or EFI files directly onto the drive. No extraction or additional steps are necessary. So it's really versatile, supports a wide range of file formats. Okay, so about the feature, so you can boot directly from those images like I said, and it has browsing support. Okay, so it lets you browse for all the ISOs or other images that you put into it. Okay, so and you will be able to select, so you don't need to have one flash drive to install Windows 10, another flash drive to install Windows 11, another flash drive if you want to install Ubuntu, another flash drive if you want to use ARM's boot CD, and a lot of other images, Linux images and tools you can use directly from your Ventoy flash drive. Okay, so it's secure boot compatible, and as I already said, it supports Windows and Linux, and it has customizable themes. So in this video, I'm not going to cover that, but yes, it's possible to change theme. And that's it. Let's have a look now for the operations I'm doing. So you can download Ventoy from SourceForge, and it's completely free. So I'm installing in Windows, but I think you can install also from Linux. Okay, so for that you will require a flash drive, so the bigger the better. I'm using a 32 gigabyte, and then you just extract the Ventoy zip file that we downloaded, open up and click Ventoy to disk. Okay, so Ventoy will open and will ask you for the correct flash drive. Be sure you have the correct flash drive selected because it will erase everything. Okay, so another thing that I didn't speak yet, so it is possible to create persistent images. What does that mean? That means that you can create for instance, a Ubuntu ISO that you can select from your Ventoy menu, and then you will arrive at the desktop, and if you create folders there and put your files there, or if you put some favorites on your Firefox, the next time you go there your files will be there. That means that it's persistent. It's not an image that you cannot change anything, because these are not real installations. You are running from an ISO, from an image. But if you create a persistent image, yes, you can put files into, you can change things inside, and the next time you boot from that image, those files will be there. Okay, so if you go and look to the Ventoy website, you can see that a lot of distros are covered that have been tested, and all about they all work. That was the list on the website, so go there, read a little bit about it. Okay, so now that the flash drive is formatted by Ventoy, and I moved my ISOs inside, I will do F12 to select my flash drive, and now all the ISOs I put inside that I previous downloaded and moved to the Ventoy flash drive, I can boot from. So I have Zorin, Windows 11, Windows 10, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, and ARM's boot CD. Okay, so let's boot. This is ARM's boot CD. So the video is speeded up in order to be quicker, the explanation. Okay, and depending on your flash drive and depending if you are using a USB 3.0 port, it can be faster or slower. Okay, so here you have it. So ARM's boot CD, booting from Ventoy. And if you don't know, this tool is really good. So it has a variety of tools that you can use, and it's like Windows only loaded with tools to fix your computer. Okay, so if you have a disk problem, that a computer that doesn't boot, and you want to recover your files and go to your folders and copy, or to correct some partitions, stuff like that, ARM's boot CD have you covered with a lot of tools that you can recover data, fix partitions, a lot of stuff. Okay, so this is ARM's boot CD, and I recommend you have this on your Ventoy, because you don't know if you ever gonna need it, and if you have it, perhaps it can save you. Okay, so again, I'm restarting my computer. In my motherboard is gigabyte. I select F12, I press F12 to select my disk drives, and I will select UEFI USB drive, and this time I'm going to select another one. So let's go for Zorin OS and try or install Zorin. So as I told you, you can create persistent. I will do another video, because when I did this video, I still didn't know how to do it, but I already created a second flash drive with persistent image, and I also changed the theme or the background of the first menu for Ventoy. So I have customized my flash drive with my channel name and another background, and it works amazing. So as you can see, now you can try Zorin or install Zorin, and if you don't know this distro, you should try it, because it's really, really good, unless you don't like Linux at all. Okay, so if you want to know how to create a persistent Ventoy flash drive, subscribe to my channel, or perhaps I already have the video uploaded, depends on the time you are watching this one, because I haven't done that video yet. I will create it, but today it's not yet in the channel. And don't forget, if you like this video, if somehow you found it useful, give it a like and consider to subscribe my channel. I catch you on a new one. Bye bye.